iANC sihlanganise ababambiqhaza emkhakheni wezamandla ukuze bazame ukuthola isisombululo kule nkinga eqhubekayo yogesi kulelizwe. Okhulumela iANC kuzwelonke uPule Mabe ukuqinisekisile ukuthi iEskom kanye noHulumeni ikhona imizamo abayenzayo ukulungisa lesimo sohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi.
Ieskom government is on record as stating that they will try and make sure that they lower load shedding levels. And as you have seen, we've moved from stage 6 to stage 3, stage 2, and all of that. Even today, we were aware when we're having this event that there's going to be load shedding incidences. So we can't suspend convening events because we have got load shedding issues. We have got to talk about this. Whether it happens in the dark, it happens during light, we'll have to do that. It is important. The leadership of the ANC cannot move away from attending to problems of the people because there is load shedding.